I wanted to look at some clips on stream today because I saw some cool things happen during the 100 Thieves versus it was the final Faze game. I thought it was pretty cool. So I'm going to open those up right now and we'll watch a couple of clips. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel down below. Check us out on Twitch where you have so many awesome people. It's very late at night that I'm recording this right now. So yeah. I just thought that like these were funny. And part of what I wanted to do when I like started making a ton of videos on Valorant is I wanted to kind of like showcase a lot of the different plays that happens in pro play that just kind of get overlooked. Eventually, like these things go into the backlog of the tournament that happened whenever, and you just never see these plays again. And I think it's funny to have like them available for me to go back through and look at. So that's kind of what we're doing today. This first place, these all took place on the bind game, and I thought it was a pretty funny game. This first one right here came from 100 Thieves Asuna. He got annihilated by BabyBay. I think it's BabyBay. It's whoever the jet is. Yeah.
But that's allowed.
Notice the flash is coming in right now. Asuna has his ultimate. Sees BabyBay. BabyBay jumps into the air, and he literally flying shoots him in the face, dude.
From above, heard that rocket pull.
Good place though. Good shots, honestly. And the awareness too to understand that like he doesn't have time to reload right here. He doesn't have time to like just chill. He just jumping, flying, annihilated Asuna right here. But he doesn't have time to reload. He keeps this in mind as he goes for the second kill here. The awareness. He saw the Silver Drone come out, so he knows he has to be close. 9 bullets left. He'd love to reload, but no. Very good awareness. Very good kill. A little bit lucky with the headshot on the Asuna right there, but yeah, it's still a good clip. So that one was pretty funny. That was our first one that we're going through. Here's our second one today. I thought this one was a cool read, and that's kind of why I wanted to showcase it, but it also like it connected me to the games that I've been playing. So you'll notice how they're kind of like what 100 Thieves did here is they prepared for a TP on pistol round. So what they did is they took Shower's control with Asuna here, and then they have Steel over here as well, and they're getting ready for the TP, and that's why they're all long right now. But because Faze sees that they're all long, they read this kind of like a book almost. And they have these players positioned here to stop this push, because if 100 Thieves gets too many picks here, obviously they're just going to take B site and they're going to like play for that. But because they have so many players here get ready for this push, and they still have the 2 A guys, like they haven't rotated at all. And I do this in my own games, but what always ends up happening is like my team just dies on B, and then 100 Thieves would just walk in and they would just plant B, which is really annoying. But what ends up happening is they decide that they don't want to push in here. They use the wall, grab the ghost, and they're going to double back here. And Faze is just ready for this. So was walking up. He finds Steel. They all end up rotating. And they'll try to push in here, but the blind is ready as well. Kills Ethan. Takes them out. Yeah, it's like, it sucks that in my games, my team dies on sight, but in their games, they're just like, they are in position, ready for it. And that was a good read. That was a good read. So I thought I wanted to showcase that. I thought that was pretty cool. We have a third round right here. This one's pretty cool. This is BabyBay just being nuts, dude. I didn't know anything about the Faze roster, honestly, for a long time. I didn't really keep up with it. I didn't know a whole bunch of what was going on in the Faze organization. However, because they used to not be good. Faze used to not be very good at Valorant. Like, their team was not that hot. But I don't know what they did, but the Faze is pretty sexy right now. They're looking pretty good. So here's BabyBay. He's about to pop off right now. You saw you got the first operator kill right there. Backed up on the site. Has his knives right there. Picks up the kill onto the Silva. Good adjustment onto Asuna right there. And then he gets the 4th kill on a Steel. Absolutely nasty. We can watch that one more time here. I think he already has 1 kill in the round with the operator. Once again, going back through it. It's just a sexy play. Everyone loves seeing a good Jet play. And after watching a ton of good Jet players, it makes me just want to pick up Jet. It makes me want to get better with her. Because, like, when I watch somebody just annihilate a team like that, dude, and that's with knives. That's a free weapon. I mean, it costs an ultimate, but, like, that's a free weapon. Oh, it's just so nasty. And they end up cleaning this up. Ethan, unfortunately, just not able to clutch up here. Ethan, another thing to say about Ethan. So this is a lot of plays of, like, Faze kind of popping off right now. Ethan's actually pretty good. For having played the game for, like, a week with this team, Ethan's like he's doing pretty well in the team. So I know a lot of people weren't like too confident on how well he do. He seems to be proving himself. So I'm excited to see what they do with the land. And this is gonna be the last round.
Contact with how Corey is.
I think what I would title this one is Marv has been watching too much Flex Ninja. Faze 12-7 right now.
Marv. I think
you'll notice he goes for the blind here. He does blind this out. This is the blind that comes out. I guess he just thought they would all be gummy.
I think he meant to fake that. He watched it.
I don't think he meant to fake it. I think what he was going for was to try to get on top of the box or something, maybe. I think he thought they were all cubby, so maybe he like TPs on a box and he kills them. But he comes from Faze. He's from Faze, you know, and they love those montage plays. So I mean, like, I'm not gonna judge him too much. They won the game anyway. It's 12-7. Like, they ended up clutching it out. It's pretty funny play. I literally, like, I don't, like, you know when you say like laugh out loud, but it's more like a nose exhale. This was like actually a laugh out loud for me. Like, after playing it up moment, I was just like, I felt that play. I definitely felt it. Marv was just like, fuck it. He just went for it. So I thought that was pretty good. But yeah, those are the plays for today. I'm excited to watch more of this. I want to do more of these little breakdowns where I just like showcase like rounds throughout the game. So yeah, if you guys are watching this on YouTube, once again, subscribe to the channel, check us out on Twitch, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.